welcome back to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura, and I wanted to do a follow-up to how the chickens are doing since we've incubated them, hatched them, brooded them up in a smaller brooder, and now this is the larger brooder. Let's see, today's date is June 2nd. It's Friday. So they're coming up on a month of their life, and they are getting to be a pretty good size. So I will link the video to the smaller brood box so you can see how big they were when they first hatched. And I could also link the video for this brood box, which I call it the bigger brooder box, so you can see how little they were when we first placed them in here, I think it was like a couple of weeks ago. So they're doing good. The waterers are staying reasonably clean. There's slight debris in the bottom, but I just come in and I just kind of scoop out their water if I see any debris in there. Of course, I wash my hands after. And their food's doing good. So I just check on them every day. I check on them in the morning, and then whenever I get home, let's see, some of those lovelies have some pretty big combs on them. So we'll see when they get a little older. If you've been following me, you know that I've been brooding up these 7 chicks for my daughter. She's going to be getting them either this weekend, within the next week or two, maybe this weekend, hopefully. They got to get their coop finished. But anyways, I had never sexed chickens or anything. I did a video on feather sexing chicks, and time will tell. We'll see how accurate I was. I'll link that video as well. But if I did it correctly, there should be 4 females and 3 males, although I'm looking at these guys, and we might have more than just 3 roosters. But like I said, time will tell. We will see. I want to see how tame they are, if they'll come up to me or attack me. Okay. I try to pet them every now and again. If you've ever brooded up chicks, you'll know they're very skittish. Oh. Here, it's okay. This one doesn't seem to mind me petting her. And I do think this one's a female. I did take their warming plate out because it is getting very hot in our area, and they do not need it anymore. As a matter of fact, they probably didn't even need it whenever we brought them out here. They were kind of just laying in the corner of the brood box in the evenings whenever they would sleep. Kind of piled on top of each other, but they did fine. And I just love watching them. I love watching them interact, and I can't wait to see what they're going to look like. I can already tell one of them looks like it might be one of my golden lace. I think that one's part golden lace. Right there. And it may have been, I don't know. A couple of these definitely look like they're probably the black Orpingtons. I have my rooster, Jules, who's the daddy of these guys. He is a black Orpington, and I have one female, I have one hen Orpington. So if I collected those eggs, of course they're going to be 100% Orpington, but these others are mixed breeds. Anywho, let me know what you think. If anybody is more experienced than me with the chicks, how many roosters do you think are here based on looking at them? You can, oh my goodness, I would say those two are probably roosters. I think there's like 4 roosters. I guess we will find out. They are definitely curious anytime I lift the doors on this brooder box. They will try to kind of look up and out. So these are the babies at these baby chicks. Today marks the completion of their 4th week, and they're getting ready to start their 5th week. Today is the day my daughter and her fiance are going to be picking up these baby chicks. If you notice, they are getting very big very quickly. They grow quickly, and I strongly recommend, before you ever get baby chicks, whether you are buying baby chicks or you are hatching your own baby chicks, just make sure your coop is completely done and ready to go so you don't stress out when it's time to move them from the brood box to their final home. Normally I would recommend 6 weeks until they're fully feathered, just for temperature's sake, but our temperatures here where we are at, it's getting like around 90 degrees every day, so I am very confident that they will do just fine. So hopefully, if you decide to go on a journey of getting baby chicks and brooding them up yourself, I wish you the best success. And I think you will find that even though they're not a whole lot of work, but you do still have to take care of them and check on them daily. But they are very entertaining, and I am so glad that I did get into getting chickens back in 2021. And if you would like to watch the entire journey of me hatching these baby chicks and brooding them up, be sure you subscribe. And if you like this video and would like to continue watching videos such as these, whether it's about chickens, gardens, cooking, grilling, or other types of projects around our home, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, thank you for watching.